Buddy, it's me, the Einstein Wall Street from the floor in New York Stock Exchange. Joining financially since then the world was feeling the floor, and what a choppy day, the beginning of November, right? Nothing seasonal about November. I mean, we're coming into the end of the year. We closed out October in a spectacular fashion, even with the government shutdown. Let's go ahead today, down 250 on the Dow, up 15. So a bit of a divergence there between the Dow and the S&P, 1.4 volume. So that's sizable volume for a regular trading day. We got down volume versus up volume, about 3-2. Transport down, VIX down. I mean, like a mixed day. I would say that's probably a lot of rotational. People are trying to see what they got to do and position themselves into November, right? Our interest rate sensitive stocks, maybe a little bit of dumping of that, because as we heard from the Federal Reserve chairman in that last meeting, is December is no longer a surety as far as cuts go. There's going to be a lot of sort of nuance in the way people are trading for the next at least couple of weeks until we start to hear from all the Fed governors, because my understanding is as they unfold, the Fed governors are going to start to get really their opinion. 3 dissents, 2 looking at 50, 1 looking at nothing. I'm not sure what he was smoking for breakfast. You want to learn? You want to learn to trade? You want to learn to trade futures? Apex, Debbie Greed, trade the opening bell on Mondays and Fridays. We've got it all. Come and join the family. You've got to be in it. 2 months left to this year. Do not waste another moment. We're going to be trading this market into the levels that we've never seen in history. 50,000 in the Dow, 7,000 in the S&P, and I'm not here to predict what the future brings. At best, a choppy day, but a choppy, positive day in lots of ways. We're coming into the end of earnings season. Tech is still on fire. A lot of these mergers in the upper levels of the monopolization of that whole GPU AI tech shtick, right? But all that being said, another reasonable day on Wall Street. A little bit of, we're still at the risk of one tweet away from crazy town. That's clear. So I'm not sure what we've got. Fresh money coming in. That's what you have the volume for, right? In the beginning of November. And then we're going to start to see as it unfolds as we get towards Thanksgiving season. I'll say the seasonality of the holiday season is important. The Santa Claus rally, we'll see how that unfolds. Look, at the end of the day, a reasonable day, a constructive day, a little bit of, you have to look in the nuance, advances versus declines, rotations at best, getting out of some into the other. We're going to start seeing some tax harvesting selling as you approach the end of the year. We're up double digits. That's just the bottom line on how this stuff works. So look, you want to learn, you want to learn to trade, you want to learn to trade futures, Wall Street Global Trading Academy, check that out. You're trading the opening bell with David Green, the master, on our YouTube channel. You've got to be in that to win it, so check it out. Apex Trader Funny, our preferred trading platform, infinite possibilities. I love you. I got to go. Bye.